You ready, man?
Me? Born ready, dude.
Good morning. Welcome to today's video. Where are we? Welcome to Eureka. Is that right? We've been to so many places I don't even know anymore. Today, we have a short 90-mile ride up the coast. No freeways, please. We're gonna take it easy because tomorrow we've got like another 100 miles to do. Luckily on today's ride, the climbs are kind of split up. So we've got long flat sections in between as opposed to the rolling roads which we've been having recently. And they were pretty leg sapping. I'd rather just get it all done in one go, to be honest. How are your legs this morning?
Fresh as a daisy, mate. Who ordered all this cloud with a side of freezing cold?
Oh, but the weather's gonna get so much better after San Francisco when you go north.
Bollocks.
Looking after it with the jizz.
Yeah, those nice people at the tattoo parlour gave us some tattoo jizz, didn't they? Got one of those nice sugary cokes.
Oh, with the nice sugar.
And the world's biggest burrito.
I'm gonna go and get a burrito. So we've just been sat at this gas station for a few minutes, had a burrito. We're gonna plug away at the remaining miles. If we stick to the freeway completely, it'll be about 60 miles left, which ain't too bad. We don't want to stick to the freeway the whole time though. There's a state park that we're going to try and go through as well. And this road here is actually going to be quite nice down by the coast. Really, we just want to get to Portland now. I am enjoying it though. Sun's out now.
No, it isn't.
Kind
I'm
of.
lying. How are your legs?
Good actually today. Yeah.
Mine aren't.
Mum was asking how my wheel's holding up after the hole being punched in it by Delta. There it is. Still the same. Build quality, innit?
Because Drew makes some badass wheels, man.
So I'm sure on a nice day, this ride would be spectacular. It's a shame we caught it on such a grey, miserable day. I mean, it's still warm enough for shorts and jersey, we can't complain, but if only we could see a bit further. It's Lawrence there.
That one's got a poor paw as well.
What's going on with your knee?
Everything's a bit tight. Legs are going a bit.
I'm looking forward to the rest day.
So the lovely lady in there has just told me that there is a turning up here, about 5 miles up the road, that takes us off the freeway onto the old 101 and bypasses the 1,500-foot climb.
No.
I wish the camera could see your face right then. It's
the happiest face
the happiest face in the world. It's gone from being to
Gonna be flying for the next half an hour.
the largest Red Bull I've ever seen.
Into a bush. We are in America.
Just a bit sick of Coke and Gatorade.
And it gives you wings.
Well, unfortunately not.
This cycle lane is burning my eyes out. Mate, there's wild elks.
I love how it says do not approach on foot. Like somebody has walked up to an elk and been mauled to death.
They're those giant tree things
By
from
an
Lord of
elk.
the Rings.
Now we haven't got Lawrence here to make you look even more intelligent.
They are, the massive tree things from Lord of the Rings. The lady in the shop lied. We're at 2,700 meters of climbing now. Probably another 1,000 to go. All going good though. Legs are feeling a million times better than what they did yesterday.
Did you ever see that film, The Descent?
With all the guys in the cave.
Yeah, all the creepy like bat things.
Hey.
Hey dude. There's a hole there. Maybe they live down there.
Oh man. Fucking hell. You know what's sad, man?
What?
It's the last one. The last Velo Forte. Hey, bear! Hey, another bear!
Those are the iconic Californian chocolate bears. That's actually like gold foil.
Chocolate all inside.
Chocolate inside.
Levi would love that.
Yeah.
What we got now?
Chicken goodness. Where's yours?
Goodness.
Goodness gracious chicken.
I've just got this. Giant can of Coke again. I do like how this trip means we can pretty much eat what we want.
No,
and
that's
get
the
fit.
standard size, mate. It's just that you're really small.
Oh, yeah. Cheese in a pot.
Honey mustard.
20 miles to go. I can't be asked.
22 actually.
Oh.
When these birds attack me. It's our climbing song. Where the heck is that? Where'd it come from? So we've come up, like, we're halfway up the biggest time of the day, and neither of us have even felt it because we've been listening to stupid shit songs. Football's coming home, it's coming home.
Dude. Can you see what I can see?
You whoops?
10 miles away.
Yeah, buddy.
Downhill all the way.
Most of that's descent.
Alien. We've arrived at our motel. Why is there blood on the wall?
Crime scene. Or maybe somebody spilled their slush puppy. Do they call them? They don't call them slush puppies here, do they? They call them slurpees.
I don't know.
Pole.
Blood? Pole what?
Pole. Slush puppy or slurpee or blood.
Yeah, it's definitely blood, mate. Well, look what the sign says. For your protection, when in room, engage deadbolt and skip. Where are we? So I don't know if it's because it's Sunday, but there's basically nothing in this town. So we're going for the safe option: pizza. It's bread with stuff on it. You can't go too wrong. He's just not going to give you food poisoning. No jaywalking. We walked up.
I thought I was like Pizza King, and then walked up like, look, oh. It's a boarded up building.
Really come around the corner.
But actually, you come around the corner, it's alright.
Yeah. What have you done?
Gina would be proud. Do you want to get like a fucking wanky Francis K slow motion shot of me pouring this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Be able to eat half of this.
Well, you better try. What are you watching? Tiger Woods is playing again, apparently.
Is he?
That's what that man said.
You see this in his face. This is my carrying face. But he's a really lovely bloke.
Red sky at night.
Franny's the light.
What does that mean, though? Is it's gonna be sunny?
I don't know what. No, do I?
Oh, it's a type of pie, isn't it?
What?
It's a type of pie.
What? Shepherd's delight?
Is that angel
It's a
delight?
shepherd's pie. Angel delight. Afternoon delight.